Static routing. This demonstration is on verifying static routes. First thing we want to do, look at the IP scheme. We have a 192.168.1.0 24-bit mask, 10.10.10.0 30-bit mask, 10.10.10.4 30-bit mask, 10.10.8 30-bit mask, and then your 192.168.4, your 3.0, and your 2.0, all with the 24-bit mask. You should be able to convert those into the 255, 255, 2550, or in the 30 case, 255, 255, 255, 252. So what we want to do now is count the networks. So we have one network, two networks, three networks, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if router 1 has 2 directly connected networks, you must put in 5 remote networks. And that's what you're seeing down here. So let's verify those routes are in. Enable, config T, show IP route. So we have 7 networks, so we should see 7 total networks in our routing table. So we have a directly connected, and attached to those are these L's. Notice the bit mask is 32. That's the exact IP of the interface. And then we have our statics. So 2 C's, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So a total of 7 networks. And verify they're going out the exit interface of gigabit 01. Let's look at the second router. 3 attached networks. So how many routes do you have to put in to get to 7? And once again, let's verify. This one's a little tricky because you're going 2 directions. So you should have 3 C's and 3 L's. And then you're going to have 4 static routes. So to get to network 8, which is here, you got to go through gigabit 02. Let's verify that. And the same thing, if you want to get to, so there's your 8 going out gigabit 02. Dot 192.168.1.0 is all the way, so it's got to go through gigabit 01. Looks like that's configured properly. And then our last 2 static routes, 3 and 4, which are to the right, which should be going out gigabit 02. So those routes all look good too. Make sure you have 7 routes in each router, whether it be static or dynamic. Once again, we have 3 connected networks. So we should have 4 static. So you're directly connected plus your local link of 32, exact IP, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have 4 S's, total of 7. This router has 2 directly connected networks. And if we verify, these are all going to be easy because they're going out the correct interface, one interface, a stub network. So we should have 2 C's with the L, with the 32-bit mask, and then 4 statics. So there's 5 statics to make 7. Let's verify we can ping. Success. So if one of these static routes are bad, these pings would not occur. So that's a demonstration on verifying static routes.